seat? You see? Oh, she has a nice recliner. And this is what she's watching.
Anything special for this kind of weather? And he
Big
said,
TV.
oh, maybe I'll put on an extra shirt. And then he thought, maybe an extra two today.
Nina, who's winning? Who's winning, Peanut?
Sometimes does here in Chicago during the winter. I'm impressed. Bill going without the blood.
Are the Bears winning?
Here in the first day.
Probably.
The Bears.
Look at you. So happy.
Oh, now she's gonna stop?
No, she's gonna get it. Nina just found her toys. Get it.
Oh, see? Only one hand, only the right hand. No, she'll be busy with that.
That's good. That'll keep her busy in the car. Oh, she found her hands. Do you hear her? Hear her? She likes to be on Dad's back. Oh, good job. She's like a cat. Oh, you keep looking at the camera? How are you gonna get this? Nina. She's getting it, Daddy. That's the weirdest breathing I've heard. What are you doing? Just the right hand, not the left one. Get him. Get him, Nina. Oh, the left hand wants to. Left hand wants to. She fell asleep, huh?
Hold your seat.
Oh, she's reaching again. Nina found her toy on her car seat, but she's falling asleep. She wants to play with it, but her eyes keep closing. Oh, she's falling asleep. Get her. Get her. Get her with your hand. Can you get the baby? Get her. You're getting her. Get that baby. Tell her, come play with me. You gonna get her? One more time, give her 5. Give her 5, Nina. You give her 5? Can you see her in the reflection?